aren't they? So how to deep clean it: you're going to need to remove these and wash these in water. To remove this back part, it's clipped on with one screw just in here. You remove this one screw, then with a plastic tool like this or a small flathead screwdriver, just pry this up around the edge, and then you can see it's just on clips, one here, one here, and it just clips in here at the top. Remove that backing. With the backing removed, get yourself a dry paintbrush and go round and make sure there is nothing in the back of this other than just some light dust. So take the top filter, just pop it out, get yourself a small flathead screwdriver or a knife. All you need to do is just pop it in just below, focus will you, below these little tab here, go over the little tab, with the little tab, pull down, twist, pull this, and then clean inside of this filter and this filter very well under a tap. So give this a really good wash out. So that's how you clean that filter, and then re-clip it back onto here once it's dry, and then you can reinstall that into the machine. So now to the body of the machine, we're going to pop the dustbin open, remove the dustbin just by giving it a slight pull, and then the dustbin comes off. Very simple. Now with the machine upside down, when you look just down in here, there are two white tabs, one there and one here. What we're going to do is push one of them in like this, pop that side of the machine in, and pop the other side in, trying to do this and look at the camera, and you'll see there, you pop in, and then this part of the machine comes away from this part. Now when you look in here, you can see the fan. You want to make sure this is clean and there is no debris in there or blocking this entrance. These two contacts here are for the brush bar. You want to make sure those are clean as well. And then that's it for that part. So you set that aside. Now we're going to clean the cyclone part. This is very simple to clean. You can get this and give it just a really good bang and run it under the tap if you want to. This machine is pretty clean. I can see inside here already. It's not that bad. But get yourself a plastic tool or your flathead screwdriver. Come in here, you can see there is a indent just there. And all you're going to do is run this around here, just like so, and you'll see it just pops off. And there we go. Are you ready to see what comes out of this? Not so bad. So there you go. If you want to, you can run this under the tap, get your paintbrush, just brush it all out. This machine's really not that dirty. So yeah, pretty clean inside. And then just give this part here a brush. So there we are. Show you just how quick and simple this is, the reassembly. Just line that up there, and then give it a push. You'll hear it, as you can see, click back on. So that's that part. Come back over to your, put the top in first, clip the bottom in, it's the bottom in. With the bin, make sure these contacts here are clean. You can run this bin under the tap. There is no problem with washing this bin out under the tap. Clip this on here, give it a push, close the bin, put the filter back in, and there we go. Once this has been, once that's been washed, I will then reinstall that back into the back pot. Like I said, if you want to see that video, I'll show you on that other video how we did that. I'm going to reinstall this back into the back part, and once it's all washed, and then this machine will be running hunky-dory again. thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the Dyson V6. I'll show you how to replace the battery, how to remove the back, how to fix the brush bar if it's not working, everything and anything you could want to know about the Dyson V6, V7 and V8. All the common problems like them pulsing. Even got a video showing you how to fix the bottom of the dustbin if it falls off. So I really do cover everything in the playlist, which you can check out